Hello colleagues, I'm Jeremy Miles, Minister for Education and the Welsh Language, and my priority is to help you introduce our new curriculum successfully right across Wales. That's why today I'm making two key announcements. Firstly, today I've published the Journey to Curriculum Rollout. This is a comprehensive document which gives clear, simple and focused support on curriculum implementation. It's been created with Estyn and regional consortia and sets out common expectations, priorities and approaches to help you prepare for rollout. Secondly, I'm very pleased to be announcing the launch of the new national network. To continue the journey of co-construction, this will be a network led by you, teaching practitioners, and open to all schools and settings. The network will be informed by you, planned by you, and facilitated by you. It'll bring together teachers, curriculum experts, and a range of stakeholders to work together to make the most of the opportunities of reform. Across the education system, I want us to learn from the very best and to put teaching practitioners at the heart of making the curriculum for Wales a reality. The network will build on the support already offered by regional consortia and school improvement services, and will also provide the opportunity for network discussions to take place locally. Starting virtually but face-to-face in time, the national network will kick off this autumn by talking about preparing for curriculum rollout, what's working well that can be shared, what's causing difficulties. It will also look at another important matter, learner progression through school, and also at what resources and materials are still required to support teachers effectively. I hope a representative from every school in Wales will join this network to learn, to share, and yes, to keep me informed about your journeys toward implementation. Because I'm determined to help you use our new curriculum to breathe new life into the educational experience of all our learners.